Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, the South African Wanderer, and we just at Rietvlei. It's just going about 4 o'clock. So we are actually going to do a night drive at Rietvlei for the first time today. But we decided to come through a little bit early and maybe do a quick self-drive before the night drive and see what we can see. So hopefully we can find the cheetah, but with us heading off on the night drive at 5:30, it's going to be a quick one in and out. So let's see how it goes. I've got Jay with me here today, and then PJ is going to join us later, and then the pals are going to go looking for some owls.
The porcupine, he turns around and then it runs from the back into the mouth. So it actually attacks backwards. So if you're on the back of the porcupine, you're going to get hurt. So never try to do that. Yeah. Yeah, it's shedding sometimes. Sometimes it is, with animals like jackals, sometimes trying to catch it.
Hey guys, so we're back at the car. It's like it's bright, hey. Hey guys, so we're back at the car. Not the most eventful drive, but it was good to be out on a night drive again. We saw serval, porcupine, lots of antelope, one nightjar, and then a flitting view of a owl that I didn't see, but some of the people on the vehicle saw. So a good night drive. It was meant to be an owling drive, but no owls, I think, because temperatures dropped a little bit and it was quite cold on a few spots on the drive. Alright, cool. We'll catch you on the next video.